Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom sound from your gallery on Snapchat. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Snapchat app and swipe up or tap on the memories icon to access your gallery. Find the video you want to use for the sound. This could be a video you've recorded of anything like a concert, someone talking, or any other interesting audio. After you've chosen, click on the pencil icon. Now here you can see the music icon. Tap on it. Then tap on create sound. Here you can choose to upload from camera roll. Tap on it. Now choose from the video that you want to upload to your sound. Here you can trim your sound. You can even choose whether you want to make it public or not. If you want your sound to be public, simply toggle the toggle button on, then hit on OK. Here you'll need to enter the sound name and your name. Then click on done, and that's it. You've just created a custom sound from your gallery on Snapchat. Use it on your stories to make them more engaging and unique. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more tips and tricks.